Hey there, Dr. Shah here from Shah Aesthetic Surgery here in Denver. I'm a board certified plastic surgeon. I specialize in head and neck cosmetic surgery. So, do you or your partner snore? Are you being kept up at night? Do you happen to use a CPAP device? Well, I brought in a new technology from Europe that allows me to reduce your snoring. I've had 3 of these treatments and now I don't snore anymore. Let me show you how it works. And like last time, what we'll be doing is just using the little tongue depressor as needed and moving things around.
Okay.
There we go. Open your mouth and put your head back for me. There we go. And we're good. Anytime you take a break, you put your finger up, okay? It's okay.
Is it easier if I
It doesn't. Every now and then it does make it easier if you go ah. Is that easier for you?
Maybe let's try it.
There you go. How much discomfort are you having? None. Okay. Great. So this is Layla. This is her second treatment for Snore No More or snoring palate reduction here using my laser. She's tolerating it very well. You need typically 3 starting treatments and then a yearly follow-up to make sure you're getting maintenance for shrinking of the soft palate.